Is your computer filling up with unnecessary files? Over time, temporary files, cache, logs, and other junk files can take up valuable disk space. In this guide, I'll show you how to clean junk files with BleachBit safely and efficiently on Windows. Let's get started. First, launch BleachBit from the Start menu. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes to allow the application to run with the necessary privileges. Running as an administrator lets BleachBit access more cleanup options. Next, review the list of available cleaners in the left panel. You'll find categories for Windows, web browsers, system cache, temporary files, logs, thumbnails, and more. Select only the items you're comfortable removing, especially if you're cleaning a browser or application cache. Now click the Preview button. BleachBit will scan your computer and estimate how much disk space can be recovered without deleting anything yet. This gives you a chance to review the results before making any changes. After reviewing the preview results, click Clean and confirm the action if prompted. BleachBit will remove the selected junk files and reclaim available storage space. Depending on how many files are being removed, the cleanup may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Once the cleanup finishes, review the results to see how much storage space was recovered. You can repeat this process regularly to help prevent unnecessary files from building up again. Just remember to review your selections each time before cleaning, and that's how to clean junk files with BleachBit. Using the preview feature first and cleaning only the files you understand is a simple way to keep your Windows computer organized and free up storage safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.